Contractually, I'm not allowed to talk about the film, but my experience working with Baz Luhrmann and the greats like Leonardo DiCaprio and Tobey Maguire and Carey Mulligan, all been a wonderful experience. The amount of detailing research that goes into subjects like this. F. Scott Fitzgerald is a literary genius in the West, and almost every home, every student has been through his works. The Gatsby is one of his more famous ones. Many films have been made, and I think perhaps this is the third version. There was one earlier on, then there was one with Robert Redford, and now it's with Leonardo. But a huge amount of research and detailing, and the whole system of working is so organized. It was just a great pleasure to be there and to be working with such a great company. My role is, just a small, hardly a minute, but it's just that, Baz Luhrmann was touring India a couple of years ago on a motorcycle, and he was going all over the country. He just dropped in at the office and said, I just wanted to meet you. He had a friend of his with him who was a painter who had done some paintings for me. I don't know why, but he just dropped by. And we just had a very casual conversation, gave him some tea, and then he left. And then a year and a half ago, he just called and said, Amitabh, I have this small little role. I know it's not worthy of your... Well, he was just being too generous, but it'll be nice if you could do it. And I readily agreed. I've just done it as a gesture, it's not remunerative. I've not charged anything. It's just as a gesture.